there. One, chain of thoughts is there. Please look what I am saying, please carefully. So thought is, chain is there. So one thought is there, other thought is yet to come. It is coming. I don't say that it is not coming. One thought has lapsed, and the other is yet to come. What is your position? You are there. You don't die. If the mind is not there, you are still existing. So if the mind is not there, we exist it. Definitely exist. That is the basis for Siddha Yoga. I am telling slightly, please hear properly what I am saying. Very important sentence. That is why the air is there. Because the air is there, mind is there. If air is not there, for a dead body, that is when the air is not there, one being Chaitanya, then mind cannot exist. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Well, we have to say that. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. What is Chitta? Chitta is any thought comes, it becomes Chitta. Correct? Without Chaitanya, Chitta cannot exist. Chaitanya, the cosmos or the Prana Shakti, mind cannot be there. So we have got a now answer that within wind and mind. Mind is not so important, no doubt important, because perhaps mind is a fact which has troubled everybody on earth's face. Nobody, I think, will be there who will say that, no, mind has not troubled me. But what is the basis for that? Whether the wind is basis or the mind is the basis? Let us go slightly deeper again. So, in order to have this Siddha Yoga practice, we have to give a practical, what is Siddha Yoga? Siddha Yoga, we have to keep both the things out. Body and the mind. A trick is there, I will tell you what is to be done. Just take it very lightly, don't take it so serene, it's not serene, but let us now how to disregard the body by relaxing. How to do, I will tell you. What is to be done? Close the eyes very good. First thing. You know, closing the eyes. It's very easy. I think it will not require any more expertise or any more efforts will not be required. Close the eyes. A thing happens in your body which you might have not properly looked into. When you close the eyes, immediately a wave from the backbone does come in everybody. When you close the eyes, a microwave comes from the backbone and it comes and resides in the brain. Again close it, then you will know that a definite wave does come. Close the eyes, you will see what is it. A wave from the backbone comes and resides, dwells in the brain. At the same time, please open the eyes because otherwise I want to do so many things are to be done. But you must have heard that immediately closing the eyes will give a current will be coming up. Ato dhamma samshaya. Now, next step is, because after the closing the eyes, the prana shakti or the wind is coming up and residing. Another fact is you have to relax the body. Relax means because in the body is not important, mother energy is important. Because the mother energy is there, body has got importance. If the mother energy is not there, what is to be done of the body? You know. What is important? That is the prana shakti which is flowing through the nostrils. This is the God thing. This is the mother for all. Air is the mother for all, which cannot be denied. Sometimes we say like that. If mother is the same, because everywhere the air is the same. Air is the God, air is the mother for all the people in the world. If mother is the same, automatically all are lads and all are brothers. If anybody says, no, she is not my mother, air is not my mother, he may say, but it is not correct. You will have to think twice while answering him. Mother is the air is the mother for all the people, and therefore, let this study of the Prana Shakti or the Siddha Yoga be passed on to everybody, because everybody has got that mother flowing through the nostrils. I think I may tell you one more thing. That is the one thing which is permanently given to you. Everybody. When you are born, you are not given to the God anything for giving you the birth. Free of cost you have got Prana Shakti. I think everybody has got the Prana Shakti without any cost, pennies. Not only that, it's a permanent thing given to you. Please hear me properly what I am saying. It is the only thing which is permanent. Air has no death. I am repeating again, air has no death. Sapte Chirajivina, Hanuman, that is the Vayu. It is a permanent thing. It is already given to you. And what we are discussing today is the prana value which is flowing through, which is very near to everybody. Perhaps the proximity of value is the highest. Your relative may be there, but nothing is so near as the prana shakti. Get the point? So we have to consider today. Close the eyes. Automatic air flow coming up and deciding the blame, and body is not there. What is there? Important is air is important. Because the air is there, body has got the importance. If the air is not there, body is to be thrown out, either cremated or burnt. This is the value of the body. What the body is and how it is very pure, that I may not tell you, that you can decide yourself. What is pure? Air is pure. Pavana Pavadhamasmi. Chaitanya, what is Chaitanya is there, consciousness is, that is more important, that is everybody has got. Let us go ahead now for the practical which I wanted to give. We will take as in 11 minutes, we have got time?
Yes.
So let us now enter in this Siddha Yoga, for which body is not to be neglected. Relax, don't worry, your body will not fly or run anywhere, don't worry, you will be always there. Another thing is mind. But mind is only there because the air is there. Again I am repeating very important point. Because the air is there, Prana Shakti is there, mind is there. Without Prana Shakti, mind cannot exist. So what you have to tell to the mind? Oh, I know now. Because mind is only air flowing, but thought is there, the mind is ready. Mind is origin only due to the air. So you have to tell to the mind that you are only air. So whatever the air which is flowing automatically without any mind's instructions, etc., what would it read only? Shvase Dattanama Smaratman. Only air is to be meditated, which is with everybody. Flow. That too, without bringing the mind into that, let the flow take place. Siddha Yoga is not to be done. Again repeating, Siddha is not to be done, it is happening because the Shvaso Shvas, Nasabhyantara Charino, whatever is happening, let it flow. Give full freedom to the air passing through the nostrils. I think you are ready for whatever the practical I want to take, let us have the 11 minutes. For which the body entirely relaxed, body is not there. What is very important is the air passing through the nostrils. Mind to be told what is the air is words. Like that said, initiations were always, we had published about 4 or 5 years. Once Dalmark in America said that I am ready to follow your rules. Please give me your whatever you Diksha, Shaktipat Diksha. 29 January 2001, I had asked him to sit at a particular hour at his watch, as per his watch in his house, at 6 o'clock in the morning. The next day, on 30th January, here